So the final part of the login procedure and for the video 3 series is that we want to actually log in and change different aspects of the form. So for example, if somebody's a manager, you don't want them to add new bookings or edit bookings or print receipt, or if somebody's a user, you don't want them to be adding bookings, cancel bookings, all of them sort of aspects there. You would have seen some of you might prefer the little close button up at the top, and what it does is Microsoft Access, and this is very annoying, is it uses a layer to arrange, so it basically arranges it. So to take that arrangement off, if you click on arrange and remove layered, you can then resize your button and put it up in the top corner. So just to go back, we're going to log in 1 2 3 4 5. That's 1 2 3 4 5. Password 1. Log in, and you can see that Peter Jones is a user. So Peter Jones should not have access to any of the other aspects of other than a new booking, because he's just a user. And the key to this is we're taking the value from the position text box or the position field, and from that value we're then able to determine what we want the form to do. So if we go to design, we can say then unload or unopen. Unload, we're going to do if I will get the first of all the value. So we're going to use a selection. So it's if me dot s position equals user, then what we're going to do is me dot btn edit dot enabled equals false. So we're saying that's false. It's currently set to true. And if so, I'm going to log in and just check this, and you'll see that the edit booking should be disabled out for the user. And you'll see that he can't edit bookings. So we're just going to do that for the rest of the buttons in the form. So we've got our different buttons. We've disabled the cancel button, the receipt button, the properties report, and the staff report button. So if I log in as a user, you'll see 1 2 3 4 5, and this password 1. Oh, dot enabled equals false. Should actually go back out of that again. Save the form, log in. Oh, it didn't do it for that. Equals false. Sometimes when you're rushing through the code, you can miss these things, so make sure you. So all of the buttons bar the new booking are disabled. Going to close out of that then, and we're going to go back into the dashboard now, and this time I'm going to disable the cancel bookings and the reports for the admin user. When I log in as an admin, you'll actually see 2 3 4 5 6 password 2. You'll see that all of the buttons are available for the admin, so I want to change that the cancel, the receipt, or the cancel, the properties report, and staff report aren't available. So again, you can use an else if me dot s position equals admin, then me dot btn cancel dot enabled, which I forgot the last time, equals false. Me dot btn properties report dot enabled equals false, and me dot btn staff report dot enabled equals false. So that should only allow the admin to edit bookings, and then the last one then is for the manager. So put in the last one for the manager, and then we'll move on. So I have my code in for the form load event, and I have my selected statement, if user, else if admin, else if manager, and you'll see this in action then. If I go to my login form, login as a user, and you'll see they're blanked out. Login as an admin, and they're blanked out, and login as a manager, and the other three are blanked out. So that gives authorization. One last wee thing that you might want to do is, you can see that somebody might log in from another campus, so, or another branch, and that's a user from another branch, and some people might change the details in the background. So you've seen from an earlier videos how you can actually adjust the properties of the background. See if you can try that for yourself, and I'm going to give you a demonstration. So you should be able to go and use the same sort of select statement, but this time you're actually taking the value of the branch. So according to the branch, you can actually change the detail color, and you'd have done that in an earlier video, how to change the form detail properties or the form properties. So I'm going to just show you. If I log in as someone from Dungannon, you have a nice light shade. Someone from Cookstown, someone from Cookstown, nice shade of green there, and the different buttons are cancelled out. And then try someone from Cookstown or from Oma, and you have a nice shade of blue, and again the different levels of authorization.